The real fireworks are happening at a Centurion Boats dealer near you from July 1st through the 7th. With a Lit Independence Week incentive, we are adding to the best pricing of the year. You still have the opportunity to get the biggest discounts of 2024 on new Centurion boats through July 31st, with as much as $30K off of new 2022-2023 Centurions, or $20K off on 2024 Centurion FIs and RIs, as well as the new 2024 FE22 for $139,995. Surf ready plus tax, freight, and dealer prep. Visit us at bigwaveboats.com or call 479-242-2628 for all available discounts.